I'm the person from Theo's Amazing Life that's been filming those whales. Those were humpback whales in Virginia Beach. Now this is a fire alarm episode. If you're not a fan of fire alarms, this might not be the video for you, but I also like fire alarms. So first we're gonna do this one. The second one, we're gonna do this one. And then this one, and the loudest one is the Nest Protect. So this one's called Nest Protect, Accent, Kitty. I don't know what this is called, but it's pretty cool. And then Citterwell, I think it's what it's called. First, we're gonna go with the Citterwell. So press and hold. And then now, we're gonna try out this one.
Functional test is normal. Fire. Warning, carbon monoxide.
Last one. It's the coolest one.
Ready. Press to test. This is only a test. The alarm will sound. The alarm is loud. The test starts in 10 seconds. Press to cancel. 10, 9, 8,
Don't get so close.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is only a test. Testing smoke. Testing carbon monoxide.
Just wait until it says clear. Then I'm gonna show you some more fire alarms.
The test is finished. Everything looks good.
So then this is a fire alarm we got to test. Here it is.
Testing.
Loud alarm.
Warning. Evacuate. Smoke in. Utility room. Evacuate. Warning. Evacuate. Carbon monoxide in. Utility room. Evacuate. Highest carbon monoxide level was 0 ppm.
Okay, thanks for watching. You don't have to press this subscribe and like and bell, but if you want to watch our our notify things, you don't really have to, but if you want to, you can click subscribe. And if you like the video, click like and bell. Bye.